Mastering English. The magic of would in passive voice. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our series on mastering the intricacies of English grammar. Today, we are diving into the world of modal verbs, specifically focusing on would. We're going to discover how would is used in the passive voice. This can seem a little tricky, but with practice, you'll become fluent in no time. In English, would is a modal verb. Modal verbs are helper verbs that give additional information about the main verb of a sentence. Would is typically used to talk about 1. A hypothetical or imagined situation. 2. Polite requests and offers. 3. Past habits. Let's see some examples. Hypothetical. If I were rich, I would buy a yacht. Polite request. Would you please pass the salt? Past habit. When I was a kid, I would play soccer every afternoon. Before we dive into how would is used in the passive voice, let's revisit what passive voice is. In passive voice, the subject of the sentence is the one that receives the action, rather than doing it. We often use passive voice when the focus is on the action and not who or what is performing the action. For example, active voice. John wrote the book. John is the doer of the action. Passive voice. The book was written by John. The focus is on the action, not the doer. Now, let's explore how we can use would in the passive voice. This is a fantastic tool for discussing hypothetical situations or making polite requests. Hypothetical situation. The cake would be eaten if we brought it to the party. Polite request. Would the report be submitted by Monday? Here, in both examples, would is used in conjunction with a past participle, be eaten, be submitted, to form the passive voice. It's time for a quick practice. Let's convert the following active voice sentences into passive voice using would. 1. I would make the cake. 2. She would submit the report. Write down your answers and check them against these. 1. The cake would be made by me. 2. The report would be submitted by her. And there you have it. You've now learned how the modal verb, would, can be used in the passive voice. Remember, practice is key when mastering a new grammar concept, so keep using would in different contexts until it feels natural. I hope this video has been enlightening. Keep exploring, keep learning, and I'll see you in our next English grammar adventure.